Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is Nykaa haul. I received my products few days back, but I keep them, I just spray them and then I use. So this is my box. I had few more small boxes. So yeah, I've collected all in this. Things that I will show you and which I'm really excited about, although I have got a very good palette. But these two eyeshadows, and this is in yellow, this is in green. So these were 160 rupees each. I have already shown the pigmentation on my Instagram, but I'll show again. So this is how it is, quite pigmented, and I can build it up. See, it is gorgeous. So the next one is the green color. This video might be a little buddy because I have a lot of products to show. Now this is the green color. Oh, the green color is jabardast, it's very pretty. Then I ordered Dove shampoo. Whatever I use in the world, I always come back to this because मुझे ये बहुत पसंद है and it suits my hair type. So 230 की है, मुझे 196 की मिली, which is great. Then what I have, okay, this was my birthday gift. तो ये मैंने मेरे birthday से पहले मंगाया था, तो they said you will get your birthday gift. तो ये birthday gift मिला था मुझे Nykaa's. Okay. Then what I am very excited about is to try a new moisturizer. Although I'm using a Wow ka moisturizer, but this one from Nivea, it's their girl party ready with berry blossom. I like anything which has a lot of cherries and it has a layer of covering. Oh wow, it smells divine. It's very nice. I don't know, I use that Dove one which I've like reviewed a lot. I love such packaging and tub types of moisturizers. They make me happy. So this is like for 85 ka hai, 72 rupees mein mila, which is like nothing, but still it is worth it. Good, I ordered this Nykaa's Prep Me Up face primer. So now all my makeup videos will have a primer because nahi tha ab tak. So now because I'm jotting on things jo bahut important hai. Now this is for 4.99. I got for 4.99 because no offer in that, baby. Then I am purchasing those products. This is the Nykaa's. I am in the shade Creamy Bisque, number 1. Shade is number 1. When tab tak I have not opened the products also. Wow, this is quite a big bottle. But stick. So okay, it's nice. I'll review this soon. So I'll first use this. I've never used a stick concealer. Have I? No, I have not. Okay, so this was for rupees 525, but I got for 446 because it's a good concealer and I really need to conceal my under eyes. And this Sugar's blush, I only had pinks and coral. I never had such a beautiful shade of blush. Wow, I'm just waiting to use this. I was waiting कि मैं फटाफट I will film the haul video and then I'll use this from Sugar. I'm really looking forward to use this one. This one is for rupees 349 and I got it for 349. Lipsticks, which is from Biotic, and these are priced for rupees 125 and I got it for 100 rupees each. I'm going to review them. They are in 3 different shades from what I use. They are little like darker reds and browns, so be ready for the review because they look so gorgeous. The packaging is so pretty. Yeah, it's so pretty, very pretty. So this is from the Maybelline V Face Duo Stick and it has the highlighter as well as the contour, and I am now figuring out and learning how to contour your face and to show you guys. So this is the first product which I have ever bought. Like this is the concealer. Okay, this is the concealer. Oh my god, this is a gorgeous concealer, guys. Can you see this? This beautiful. And the other end has the contour shade. I have called a very light one because मुझे आता नहीं है और मुझे I want to learn Wow, that's why I love Maybelline product. It's for 670, but in sale I got for 469, which is really good. 670, 469, it's a big difference. So make sure that guys, when there is a sale, do buy your basic products. I mean, this time I have really bought my basic products, but kabhi kabhi, you know. Okay, then I have bought this Garnier's wrinkle lift anti-aging cream. Now this I have called from my mom-in-law, and I wanted her to try something new for her skin, so this is for her. Now this is for 150, I got it for rupees 120. I've called the smallest wala to try, so that if it doesn't suits, the product will not be waste. Then I have called this Khadi soap for Sahib. It is neem, so I wanted to try this for him, so I've called this for Sahib. And my kajal was getting over, so I thought chalo I'll call for this, because I got it for only for 130, because I got it this for 180 and I got it only for 130 rupees. So this is the one. I always love this kajal. Then what Gapla has happened is that I had called for NYX concealer. I really wanted to try. I already have Nykaa's, but for the eyes, this eye area, I wanted a very good high-end, not high-end, a very good chalo matlab NYX only, NYX concealer. But then it was a mistake, and they sent me this Calabar's kajal pencil, which I really don't want, but then I'm thinking I'll exchange it. So because instead of that, they sent me this. Then from the longest of time, I've not ever had a good nail polish, so I got my hands on these beauties. One is from Elatine, next is Nykaa, and one is the black shimmer black is from Calabar, and I'm very happy with these nail paints. The Nykaa one I got for 150, it's for 199. The Calabar wala I got for 150, it's for 199 again. And the yellow one from the Elatine, the yellow beautiful color, I got only for rupees 50, I guess. 55, yes, it's for only rupees 55. So yeah, this is what I want to try. And the best part, the last part and the best part is a lipstick. This is from Maybelline and Into Alice and Olivia by Stacey Handan. I think it's a collaboration packaging or some product. It is beautiful, and it's for rupees, it's originally for rupees 400, 399, and I got it for 200 rupees only. It's a nude shade. Look at the packaging, it is so beautiful. It's very, very beautiful packaging. When I open it up, this is the shade. Gorgeous. Oh wow, look at this shade. Actually, I'm not wearing a lipstick, so I think I'll wear it and I'll see. Just a minute. I'm wearing it on a gloss, so but the shade is amazing. Very nice. Yes guys, this was all in my haul video. I'll try, maybe there will be 2 videos back to back, because I'm ready with the videos and I really want to upload them. I hope you like it. Please watch my videos, please share them, and please do one like, yeah, and subscribe. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. The sale is Nykaa is over, but then it keeps on coming. Maybe even they have sales on 15th August, so stay tuned and decide what you want to buy, and buy it when the sale comes. Okay, so thank you for watching. You take care and you be stylish. Bye.